Hi guys, it's time for our proportion and percent workout number 1. So now we are going to start using ratio tables more along the lines of the way that y'all have used ratio tables in school and in the past. So these are probably going to be the most familiar application of ratio tables that we've used. So these are going to look similar to what you've been doing in class with ratio tables. So our first question is, pears are on sale for 5 pounds for $8. Use the following ratio tables to find out how many pounds of pears you can buy for different amounts of money. So here's our price in our pounds, $8 for 5 pounds. And they want to know what 10 pounds is. Well, I can get to 10 very quickly from 5, so I multiply by 2. So 10 pounds costs me $16. And then I can easily get to 1 from 10 by dividing by 10. So I'm going to divide 16 by 10 and I get 1.6. So $16 for 10 pounds. And then $1.60 for 1 pound. Easy peasy. Okay, let's try number 2, 3 pounds. I saw the 3 first. 3 pounds and 2 pounds. Again, starting with our ratio, price on top, pounds of pears on the bottom. We're trying to get to 3. And so very quickly, we're going to divide by, well, let's go ahead and do it like we would have done it if we didn't have anybody, any help. So we would have doubled and gotten to 16. We're going to double again to get to 20. And so 20 pounds of pears cost $32. And then we have to find out how many 3 pounds of pears will cost. And so I went ahead and went down to my 1.6 for 1, doubled it because it's easy for me to double, and I got 3.2 because doubled of 16 is 32. And then for my 3, I'm going to grab a different color. I added this column and this column. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And 1.6 and 3.2 gives us $4.80. So these are a lot more familiar looking, I would hope, because this is how we have used ratio tables up until this point. So $4.20 is the cost for 3 pounds, and 20 pounds costs $32. All right, let's keep working. 3 pounds. How many pounds can you buy for 2 and for 1 pound? Use the following ratio table to determine how many pounds of pears you can buy. So now we want this unit, the price, to be 2 and 1. Okay, so that means I'm changing this column here. I'm less concerned about pounds and I'm more concerned about the money. So I'm going to cut it in half to get to 4. Half of 5 is 2.5. Then I can half again. So $2 gets me 1.75 pounds. Okay, and I know that 1.25. Y'all gotta watch me. 1.25 because that's half of $1.25, right? So we have, and then we're going to half again, and $1 would buy us 0.625 pounds. I know this math right here because it's what I call benchmark math. And I just know that when I split 125, I get close to 63 cents. 63 cents and someone gets 62 cents is basically what happens, okay? So for 1.25 pounds for $2 and 0.625 pounds, so a little bit more than a half a pound for $1, okay? And then our last one says that Saul has $41.60. Use the following ratio table to determine how many pounds of each pear he can buy. So $41.60 is what I'm pushing for up here across the top. I notice I have this 160 right here, guys. I know that that is my rate for 1 is 1.6. So that's my 1.6 right there. So I'm more concerned with just getting my 8 to 40. And then I'm going to add this right there. And I can get to 8 times 40 very easily. 8 times 5 gives me 40. Anything I do at the bottom, I'm going to do the top and vice versa. So 8 times 5 gives us 40. 5 times 5 gives us 25. And now, so that I can get to my grand total of 41.60, I'm going to add 40 and 1.6 to get $41.60. And then I'm going to add 1 and 25 for a total of 26 pounds of pears. So Saul can buy 26 pounds of pears for $41.60. That's it. So hopefully these make more sense right off the bat than the addition and subtraction and multiplication and divisions did, just because this is what you're more familiar with. All right, I'll see you back for our workout number 2.